washing process. Before I get into it, I will let y'all know I am trying something completely new. I never washed my hair with it before, and it is the African black soap. So I will be trying this out just to see how well my hair responds to it. Hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully, you know, it promotes healthy hair and not hair loss. It does says it helps with hair loss, so we're going to see how this works. And I just hope for the best, because it's been a year and 6 months and I don't want to have 2 strands in the middle of my head. That's not what I'm going for. I'm going for thick, healthy hair. So let's get started. Guys, I cannot believe that was over a year ago. But do y'all see the difference in the length? When I first started using this African black soap, my hair was literally just sprouting in my ponytails. Like, it wasn't hanging down past my ears, touching my ankle or nothing like it is now, but it was getting somewhere. A great hair routine will do that for you. I will be letting y'all know my entire experience while I was using this African black soap, and I do want to add, every black soap texture is not the same. This one I got from my local beauty supply store. Some of them come with like a little thing on it, like a little label, but the ones I've been getting lately, they have not been coming with the label on there. They just wrap them in plastic and sell them as is. But I'm gonna put it up close so y'all can see the texture and how it is. And just be very mindful when you buy African black soap, this one in particular, it should be a cookie like texture. When you touch it, you should be able to press into it while it still has a little firmness to it. Like, if you press it, you can feel it squish a little bit, but you're not crushing it all the way because it still got some firmness to it, if y'all get like what I'm trying to say. And it also has a certain smell. I would say it varies, because sometimes it smells like clay a little bit. I don't know what I'm picking up right now. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a unique kind of smell. It smells like clay, but it also smells like soap, but like, anyways, we're gonna move on from that. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like up close. This is what the African black soap looks like up close. I did cut into it here so y'all can see what it looks like on the inside when it is cut into, but the texture is really like clumpy and very different. It's not smooth at all, so just make sure y'all look out for that as well. Now let's go ahead and get into the benefits that I've experienced while I was using this African black soap to wash my hair for over a year. Jeez, time is flying. Benefit number 1, this is a completely natural soap. So it's not gonna be like the typical shampoos that are out on the market. It's not gonna have the same ingredients. You're not gonna have the same experience from using it. It's like 360. It's the complete opposite of what is being sold on the markets today. This soap is not just specifically for hair. You can use it for your face. You can use it for your skin as a regular bar of soap to clean your body. You can use it to exfoliate, remove dark spots. Y'all, this soap does a lot. And for the hair, it does that much more. This soap is made from plantain skins, cocoa pod ash, palm oil, and is also made with shea butter. And I do want to point out, it is not made with any harsh chemicals that can damage or dry out your locks. None of that. Another benefit that I've experienced is that I can make my own custom size shampoo bar. So I will pretty much just take it, cut off a little piece, put it in like a Ziploc bag, and wash my hair. When I'm done washing my hair, throw it in a Ziploc bag, let it dry, close it up, and then put it wherever. The reason why I put it in a Ziploc bag is because this soap will get like tacky or sticky. It will have like a certain, I don't know how to explain it, but soap scum. That's the word I'm looking for. You will see that, and it gets like sticky in a sense, and I'm not really a fan of that, so I just keep it in a bag so it can stay as dry as possible. Another thing about making your own custom shampoo bar sizes, it's so easy to travel with. I've traveled a couple of places and just took this along with me. I would take like little pieces of it and I would just put it in one of those little sauce. Actually, I'm gonna show y'all what I put it in. Hold on. This is what I would normally put it in whenever I'm traveling. So these are like little sauce cups. Cut a piece, throw it in there, close it up, and I'm good to go. Also, I did want to show y'all what it looks like inside of the plastic bag that I was mentioning. So I use it, wash my hair, throw it right in the bag, and as y'all can see, it's still dry. Another benefit of using this African black soap to wash your hair is that it balances your scalp health. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties help with dandruff, itchy scalp, and other scalp conditions. It also promotes healthy hair growth, is rich in vitamins A and E. It nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair follicles, which can support healthy hair growth. Using this product in your hair, it is very lightweight and residue free. Now, when you are using the bar by itself and you put it down, yeah, it's gonna be like a little soap scum or whatever if it's sitting in that water for too long. But when you put it in your hair and you wash it out, it comes out very easily. And just from it washing out so easily, that prevents any buildup that can cause your locks to feel very heavy or dull. Using a shampoo bar is also very hydrating and soothing. With ingredients like shea butter and palm oil, it helps maintain moisture. The fact that this African black soap can do a good clean and still hydrate my locks at that, it got an A+ in my book. All right, so now I'm gonna get into how I use this African black soap when I'm washing my hair. So the first thing I would do, as they say, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let your hair down, da 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 da. I'll do all that, let it down, get in the shower, rinse my hair very thoroughly with water, take the shampoo bar, this right here, I will take it, rub it all in my scalp. Before, I used to rub it in my hands and then rub it in my hair, but that wasn't getting me nowhere. Just take the whole bar, rub it in your scalp, y'all, massaging your scalp, make sure it feels good. Hold on. Take your hair, get the bar of soap, make sure it's getting everywhere. Go like this, do a good rinse out, and then boom. First wash is done. As y'all can see, my hair is in a pony right now. So let's just say I was retwisting my hair tomorrow or whatever. Repeat the steps 3 times. But this is how I would break it down. I would do the first wash. I would do the hot oil treatment. Second wash, third wash, retwist. But since I am in between styles right now, I would just wash my hair once a week, one time, and go on about my business. Lastly, we're gonna wrap this up with my overall experience with using this African black soap. So the way it makes my hair feel is very clean. It is moisturized, but you do need to follow up with a conditioner. I forgot to mention that. When I wash my hair, I would follow up with conditioner afterwards. But yes, follow up with a conditioner, because although it cleans and moisturizes your hair could still be dry. So make sure you condition it, make sure it's nourished, make sure it's loved. Another thing I really like about it is the lathering. Now with shampoo, the first time you wash your hair, it doesn't really lather up that well. And with the African black soap, that could happen too, but you just make sure you keep rubbing it and lathering it, and it'll get there. When it lathers up, y'all, it lathers up. I love that so much, because I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's all lathery, my hair getting all clean. Like, I really be in a zone when I'm washing my hair. It's a moment. And I also really like the smell of the soap. Like, it's not too strong, it's not overpowering, it's just, I still can't find the right word to describe it. It's like very subtle, like, yeah, that. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.